Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on OfferUp. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're dealing with a kind of unfortunate or uneasy buyer or seller on OfferUp. How do you actually go ahead and report them? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that we're going to go into the OfferUp app. Next, you're going to find the account that you want to go ahead and report. So here we have some messages. We're just going to click on the profile or message system of someone that we want to report. And now once we click on their profile or message system, you're going to click on the three dots on the upper right hand corner and then click on report. So what this is going to do is that it's going to go ahead and give you a variety of different options that you could actually report this user for. So here, just go ahead and choose the description that best describes this individual as far as why you want to report them, and then follow the on-screen prompts. Now make sure that this is something that is a reportable offense, just because you don't want to get anyone's account taken down for no reason. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and report a user on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Also, please make sure that you blur out this individual's name, please. Thank you.